What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. First of all, this is not a haul video guys. In this video, I'm gonna quickly tell you guys and show you few of the options in terms of the printed shirts. This video is all about types of printed shirts you need to buy in 2021. I'm gonna essentially cover all the types of printed shirts you need to invest when it comes to 2021, in particularly for Indian men. Not only mentioning the pieces, I will also leave few of the links in the description below in a My Haul store link. The option number one that is actually trending in 2021 is the abstract print. The abstract printed shirts are a must-have shirts when it comes to 2021 in particular. I'm not sure how long this trend would continue. I'm not expecting this to continue to the next year, but as of now it is something which is trending. There is this brand called Nuwan which do release this abstract printed shirts at a budget of 999 rupees. For 999 rupees, you're gonna get a Cuban collar shirt which is completely made of viscose that comes with a flowy aspect to it and also keep you in the trend. I think that is one of the best brand in case if you want to invest in abstract printed shirts. H&M do have them and Zara do have them and Jack & Jones, but those are gonna be a pricey options. Colored animal prints are something which are trending in 2021 in particular. Don't buy leopard or cheetah printed shirts in 2021. In case, go for the colored leopard printed shirts, maybe a zebra printed shirt which is also having a specific color to it rather than with the black and white option. Moving on to the third type of printed shirt you should own, it's the floral shirt. This is something which each and every one of you guys must be familiar with. It is a classic printed shirt that never goes out of style guys, but make sure that you go for a subtler color combinations and also make sure that one color when it comes to the printed shirts, and preferably it should be the base color, need to be of the neutral color, and then play with the floral prints as the pop color. Not only for the floral prints, this factor or this particular tip is applicable across the printed shirts in particular. I highly suggest you guys to go for the viscose options, not the cotton options. When the fabric is flowy and the fabric has a drape kind of effect to it, it looks so good when it comes to the floral shirts. And also during the summer seasons, if you have a full sleeve floral shirt and just tuck in with a drawstring pant or a linen pant, wear white sneakers, that will look ultra stylish guys. Moving on to the type of printed shirt number 4, it's the tie-dye print. Tie-dye is something which was trending from 2019, but unfortunately it has not been picked up that much. I am predicting that it may pick up the pace this season. Tie-dye is something which brands are investing heavily right now at this moment. Not only the bigger brands, but even the smaller budget-friendly brands as well. I will also make sure that I will leave few of the suggested pieces with the links in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Don't go for different contrast colors when it comes to tie-dye, because normally only these are not versatile options. When you go that way, it even decreases the versatility. That's an important tip when it comes to the tie-dye prints. Moving on to the type of printed shirt number 5, which is actually a printed shirt that most of you guys are familiar with. These are the micro floral printed shirts. When I mentioned the previous floral shirts, generally I meant that these are the half sleeves ones with the viscose compositions and have the flowy vibe that are particularly suited for summers. When I say about micro floral printed shirts, I mean the one with the cotton compositions that have a little bit of a dressy aspect where you can dress them to semi-formal to semi-casual. Don't go for the polka dot prints. It's not at all trending. You are gonna get most value out of this. Do ensure that the base of this need to be of a darker color. Don't go with the white color options when it comes to micro floral printed shirts, but instead go for the darker color options, and then you will be able to pair either with a dark color or a light color. Avoid white or lighter colors. Invest in darker colors. Moving on to the next type of printed shirt, it's a tropical printed shirts. Anything that suits the tropical vibe, and whatever the tips I have suggested you guys for the floral shirts or any of these printed shirts stays the same for this one as well. The material need to be of the viscose or a lyocell kind of a material. Don't go for the cotton or polyester options, and also it need to have that flowy vibe and preferably Cuban collar as well as the short sleeves. The color combination suggestion stays the same for this one as well. Tropical print is something which you should not neglect when it comes to 2021, because it's already popular in 2020. It's not going anywhere at least for next 2 to 3 seasons guys. Moving on to the last type of printed shirt that actually I don't recommend. In case if you have the budget, in case if you already have most of the options which I suggested in this video, this you can go as a last option. That is something which was trending in 2019 and 2020, but it has been slowed down. That is the geometric printed shirts. Geometric shirts are something that I liked in 2020, but these days in terms of the versatility, after using them for quite some period of time, I don't suggest to you guys. Among all these shirts, The tie-dye shirts and the geometric printed shirts are something which are very difficult to mix and match. You might be thinking printed shirts themselves are not super versatile, like what's the big deal with the tie-dye and something. If you're thinking that way, that's actually a good point. But however, when it comes to these two combinations, generally these two combinations are not generally associated with the summer vibes because of the prints for these shirts being so distinct when compared to the other prints. It's easily recognizable that you are wearing the same shirt again and again. So that is something which is concerning when it comes to these shirts. Make sure that the printed shirt you are picking check marks each and every tip I mentioned in this video, and once you did that, you invest in the other options first. Don't invest in just one type of printed shirts for your entire collection. Make sure that you have the versatility and different kinds of prints to play with. That's the point of making this video, guys. I think I have covered all the type of printed shirts that you can actually wear and actually buy in 2021, in specific for men in India. If you guys like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and also you know the drill. Share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you guys next time.